So here I am. I think I'm somewhere near Lara. Can't use the drone. I'm too close to the Lara airport, and there are restrictions of 5.5 kilometres from any sort of airport to use the drone. Now here, this is quite a bizarre spot. I've just pulled up. I've just spoken to a chap. He's from Greece. Lovely old man. He doesn't sell anything. All he does, he likes to repair things as a hobby in his old age. So let's have a quick look. He's got 3 extremely large chicken, I don't even know what you call them, sheds, coops, sheds I guess. They're no longer obviously chicken sheds anymore, but I thought let's go for a bit of a scout around. He's more than happy to let me do it, so that's great. But here we are. He likes to fix stuff. And when he said he likes to fix stuff, he's not mucking around. This guy does everything. He's got lawnmowers, whippersnippers, chainsaws. He doesn't sell to the public. He just has, he finds pleasure in fixing things. He's just an example of some of the whippersnippers. I don't know if it's going to come into picture. Yeah, there you go. It's great. What caught my eye coming down here was these chicken sheds. They were extremely dilapidated, and they had so much character about them. And I thought, oh, that looks like a good view. And then sure enough, the chap was out there, this Greek chap. I'll get his name if I can on the way out. He was more than welcoming. And he said, basically, in his broken English, to knock myself out and have fun. He doesn't get too many visitors, I guess. But as you can see, there's a chicken shed right here. Wow. And they're really, really long. They're probably not compared to other chicken sheds, but to me, who's never seen one up close, they seem very, very long. And I guess the beauty of this is the fact that it's the amount of storage space you get. Now let's just see if I can get back into some better lighting. Yeah, here we go. It picks it up again. So there you go. So we'll go back the other way. There you go. It'll pick up the lighting better there. He's even got it's a Bowell scooter. But it seems like he likes to tinker around with small engines of any type. From my understanding after chatting to him, he finds most of these items as hard waste left on the nature strip or the footpath or the sidewalk, depending on what country you're from. But look at these lawnmowers. He's got all sorts. And I don't think too many people would even know. He's the king of the lawnmowers. Very fascinating. Anyway, I won't dribble on too much. We'll let the... he's into vacuum cleaners too. I don't think he's got too much success with them. But wow. Very interesting. Okay, we'll go to one more shed. That's him over there. That's his house. And his house is immaculate. He grooms that lawn that he's got just really, really to a very high standard, considering we're really in sort of land that you wouldn't expect other than... The only thing that you could probably have here is cattle or maybe sheep, but the soil here seems something difficult to grow on. But hey, I'm not a farmer, so I don't know. I'm just speculating. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Wow. So there's his quad motorbike, or is that something he's picked up? This is just fantastic. His tractor looks relatively new. But yeah, once again, I'd love to have flown the drone at a very low height through here. But unfortunately, as I said, we're within 5.5 kilometres of the Lara airport, or I think it's Avalon Airport to be exact, not the Lara airport, so I'll correct myself. and so it's the Avalon Airport in Lara. I wonder how many chooks lived in here. But this is fantastic. Just lovely. All right. So the reason I've stopped on a few occasions is I've had to go to Lorne to do some work down there. Well, not paid work, just, hobby work. And I thought instead of coming back on the main freeway, I like to set the Navman or the GPS to avoid all freeways, which forces me to come back an alternative route. And this is what you stumble into. And it's just great, it really is. And the people I've met so far, I've met two. The other one, I couldn't put it on video because he was like a caretaker to a very, 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 very old, tip. But they don't call it a tip. It's just like archaeology for them, and they see the value in all of it. But I couldn't video or do any filming there. But have a look at this thing. Let's see if I can zoom up. This is what caught my eye, this thing. And I thought, wow, look at that. It's just terrific. I don't know what it is about this. Maybe I'm getting old and sentimental, but it's just, I think this is really beautiful. It really is. For me, it is anyway. Absolutely terrific. Look, he's even got the clock there. He hasn't changed his clock. See the clock above the barn doors? Add an hour to that, and that's the time it is now. It's just after 6 o'clock on a Sunday, and it's the 4th of December. And here's the final chicken shed. It's just lovely. Wow. I feel really sort of a bit odd because I'm going into someone's private area, but he's more than happy to let me do this. But it's just fascinating. Wow. So he's got cars, boats. This guy has worked hard all his life. He's acquired a lot of assets. And he's even got all the cars, I guess, he's ever owned, all lined up. And now he's very much at a retirement age where he's probably on a pension or something and doing things at a much slower pace, which is fantastic. He's got a hobby. He's got a lovely boat. It's just great to see someone of his vintage keeping active, not physically, but mentally. I think that's really important. Really, really important to, as we get older and retire, we don't switch off mentally and we keep ourselves as busy as we can. I'll show you his shed. That's his little house. Okay, I'll turn it off now and I'll have a chat with him and ask him if I can film him without too much drama. So here I am. I just wanted to let you know that I've come to this place. I've never been here before. I've met a lovely guy by the name of Con, who's retired. And here he is, and he's going to give us the thumbs up if I can find him. There he is. So give us a thumbs up, Con.
That's it.
There he is. So this is his retirement. This is what he does. It's lovely. I'll walk backwards. All right. See. And here we are. We're about to leave. And there's Con once more. He's an absolute gentleman.
Anytime to come on here,
Okay, thank you. So if you can work out where I am, you've done well. But as I said, I think I'm somewhere near Lara or Laverton. Definitely close to Laverton because I can't use the drone. And as I just spoke to Con, sorry, he doesn't actually, well, I shouldn't say this, but let's just say he has more than one property where he resides at. Here we are coming to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different. I don't mind doing it. I actually enjoy just randomly talking to people. I don't know why, it's just something I do. But by all means, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.